Quality Associates is an electronic manufacturer's representative agency based right here in Michigan with a rich 30-year history of success. Today, Quality Associates operates in Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, West Virginia, and Western Pennsylvania. This video shows the synergistic technical sales approach Quality Associates brings to our manufacturers and customers. Brad Kendall of Quality Associates recently worked closely with a client to bring their PCB assembly back in-house right here in Southeast Michigan. Brad was able to outfit nearly the entire plant with Quality Associates represented products. He will cover those products here. As we mentioned, this company is based in Michigan in the United States of America, and they are very proud to be here doing manufacturing in the Detroit area. This is a picture of how the facility looked in March of 2020 as the pandemic began, and this is how it looks today in August of 2020. Just 6 months later, all of this change went on during the pandemic. At the entrance, we have ESD smocks by Transforming Technologies for workers and for visitors. Then we go to an ESD test station for wrist straps and heel straps, also by Transforming Technologies and Transforming Technologies ESD matting. As we move toward the surface mount line, we have solder paste by AIM Solder and stencil wipes, alcohol stencil wipes by Tech Spray. Moving over to the print process itself, you'll find a Europlacer speed print stencil printer for putting the solder paste on the circuit boards. As we move down the line, we find the Europlacer Eco SMT pick and place machine. Moving to the inspection area after placement, we see an OC white green light magnifier for inspecting the circuit boards. Moving to this reflow process, BTU Paramax 98 is used to reflow the solder onto the circuit boards. There's currently a cart here to catch the boards, but in the near future, a flat belt conveyor will be placed here to retrieve the circuit boards from the reflow oven. Now we move on to the Hentech RPS Vector 300 selective solder machine. This machine will solder the boards from the underside for non-surface mount assembly. Here's a DM Semi nitrogen storage cabinet, which will keep the components dry before they are placed into production. Around the corner, we'll see a SouthTech Systems nitrogen generator used to purge the cabinet and to purge the selective solder machine. Here are some protective pack shelf liner to temporary storage of the circuit boards, along with more Transforming Technology ESD matting. Here's a score line singulator from Fancourt. Singulates the circuit boards after assembly. Here we have a microscope from OC White for inspecting the circuit boards with a digital autofocus camera on it. Tronics hand tools, Menda circuit board brushes, and Menda alcohol bottles are used at this station for touching up the circuit boards. On this IAC workbench, you'll find more Transforming Technologies ESD matting with a JBC solder station used to touch up the circuit boards. Down a little further is a Solder Star reflow profiler. This is used to check proper thermal temperatures of the circuit board in the reflow oven. Here's an OC White green light magnifier again, and more JBC soldering equipment. AIM wire solder is used for the rework, and here is a Transforming Technologies continuous monitor ESD wrist strap tester. As we scan around the shop, we'll see more protective pack shelf liners on this cart. On this cart, we'll see some swabs and cleaner from Tech Spray used for cleaning the circuit boards. Here's another IAC workstation. Here's some Fancourt board racks used for board storage once they start storing more boards. As we scan around the shop, we'll see the latest IAC workstations made right here in the United States. I hope you enjoyed this video of how Quality Associates helped this client bring their work back to the United States and specifically back to Michigan. Thank you for watching.